the general public's
3
consumption.
pills. Any pills? Pills for anyone?
I've got the pills. I've
I
took them.
picked up that. Where
Oh,
are they?
no. What's that?
Yeah.
Whoa! Some rat bag.
Pick it up, take it down there and throw it for these bad boys.
Well, wait. Throw a bit of petrol in there as well.
That's much more pleasant way of doing them than me.
Save a few bullets. It's all about conservation.
Did a very nice job, I think.
It's kiddie land, so. What's that shooting
You
about?
stop running in front of me. Also, a cannon you got on you.
Got the old shotgun out.
I'm going to shoot one of them.
Charger.
Trying to help the situation a bit. Whether it has, probably not. Chuck yours down.
Shut mine down, shut that ages ago. Isn't that?
You got 5 on the left.
Oh yeah, I'm on the merry-go-round there.
Right.
Doing a little bit of car action.
How about that?
Come
boy?
join me on the merry-go-round. Right now. Which colour car are you having? I'm going to get the red one. There's something down here. Molotov cocktail. Oh, who wants it? What's a bottle of Tizer? There you go. Take that. Look at that, that's real iron bar. Look at that, house and an arrow. I reckon we'll go this way. Hey. Nice.
Weapons over here.
Oh. I don't know. Got more petrol. You need it.
Reloading.
Oh, block myself in there. Health packs, nice.
Oh, I didn't even get one.
You don't need one. Rochelle and me need them.
Healing. Hold on a sec.
I'll heal Rochelle.
All right.
Aren't you letting me?
This might sting a bit.
Yeah.
Just healing me. She's good like that.
All good now.
Yeah, good girl. So yeah, that's cool. Let's go upstairs. Ladder. It's got to be the way. Oh man! What's on the head? Shoot it! Jeez. You got to be careful poking head in ladders. Crikey, this ladder's a bit difficult. There's a guy up there. There's loads of them. There's a whole community.
Took me that long to work out how to get up the fucking ladder.
I've got things covered on the roof. Yeah, I'm shooting him, he looked like a zombie. Charger.
I'm gonna reload.
Say that in your head. Well, I was actually surfing the banister then. The handrail. Achievement. Brass menagerie. Oh dear. Just showing them. I'd say up here seems like a good place, but wait for that queue to go away.
Not this one.
Yeah, there was an arrow. generally a sign, more health. Pills for everyone.
I'm grabbing pills.
Still get filled up.
I'm peeled up.
Doing chainsaw or
I'll have some bullets.
little pick me up.
Oh, look at this fatty boy.
Samurai sword.
No, I'm having this.
Pills.
Pills? I've got pills.
Chainsaw
I'm
here.
gonna have pills. then.
Chainsaw here.
Keep me for a bit.
Oh,
pills.
that's a nice gun.
Yeah, somebody don't need
Put
these.
some more pills. No health packs in there.
Katana here.
Katana here.
Something's coming.
Something is coming. I say we get out of there.
I've
Shoot
got one of
Boomer's
those.
back. Oh, she's behind us somewhere. There he is. Here we go, here's the action.
Hang on, hold on. Leave them, leave them, leave them,
Yeah,
leave
that's
them,
right.
leave them, leave them. They're all going to one of them things. Someone's toasting me.
That was me who set that on fire.
No, I've chucked one of them things. But it might help for you banters.
You shoot me.
Did we want to get out of there?
I'm going down here. Turn on the power to open the gate. This looks like it's going to be a bad move. Be prepared for all chaos to happen. Okay. Shut down the carousel. Someone come with me.
Where are you?
I'm going towards the carousel now. Shut it down.
How did you get in there?
That is a question I don't know the answer to yet.
I'm in here.
Good the way I'm going. You in there?
I think so.
How did you get behind there? Oh, yeah. Fun trying to get in there. Oh, I see. I got it. I see where you are. Oh, I can't go into it. I can get into it itself. Oh, this is a bit of a nightmare. How did you get actually into it? I think you must have to go out here. That's it, let's see where the arrow is. She's telling me to shut down, I know that. Boomer. Oh no. Not only did I shut it down, I got the horn on my tail, now I've got a jockey riding me. I'm trying to shut it down. Ah, that's it there. Sorted. Huh.
Well, you're not still here.
Yeah, she just gave me the pills away for Rochelle.
I'm a bit hungry for health.
A bit hungry full stop.
Yeah, I know.
There's the safe room. Everybody in the tunnel of love.
Join me in the tunnel of love. Watch out, there's a witch right in the doorway. Turn your light out for the start. That's a bit of a, too late. What's a lovely love themed.
Oh, hell yeah.
On that note, I think I shall depart.
Yes, serious bit of Left 4 Deadness.